Oh my God. Nadula. Y'all know I literally paid $300 to get my hair done like this from my hairstylist. And now that I have this Nadula wig, I don't ever have to do that again. And mind you, I think this kind of looks better than what my hairstylist did. Oh my gosh, y'all. I've been off camera for about 30 minutes. So the curls did fall just a little bit, but this is how I like it. I don't like defined curls. I like it when they look loose and effortless. And when I was getting dressed, I did put the roller back in my bangs just so they wouldn't get flat or anything. I don't think they would, because when I tell y'all, they're so like bouncy. I love this wig. Oh my God. Nadula. I love this, y'all. And you can just spread them apart. If you wanted to do like a curtain bang, you could, to where it's like to the side. The hair roller in it twice, it might just stay to the front as a regular bang, but you can definitely curling iron and kind of curl them to where they're like fluffed and a curtain bang. Y'all, and this is a 13x4 unit. Oh my gosh. I am so pleased with this. This is their pre-everything unit. The lace is cut, it comes curled. Layers were already in the hair. Look at this, layers are already in the hair. The only thing I did was cut the bang. Y'all, get into it. Get into it. Y'all check out Nadula Hair. The link straight to this unit will be down below. Of course, they always take care of you guys with a coupon code, so you guys can save some money. That will be down below in the description box as well. And you guys, get you a layered bang wig, because what? Okay, so I'm ready for the day.
Nadula.